Candace.
Kandar.
Candace, Love, Jeremy.
Brains.
Braun!
Brains.
Braun! Oh no! Oh no! I lost his tracks! I don't know which direction to go.
Wait! Grubs! Platypuses love grubs!
They sure do, like Ferb and Haggis.
Maybe he came this way for food. Ugh, how am I ever gonna get that grub-eating patch?
Perry's fur!
He went that way.
Let's go!
Were we on Brains or Braun?
Brains.
No, Braun!
Brains.
That thing's not gonna do us any good if we don't survive the flight.
I'm building a regoodinator solely from parts from this plane. Do you know how many evil scientists could actually accomplish this?
I'll be impressed when we don't plummet to Earth on fire.
Oh, stop panicking, Francis. I haven't even touched the main stabilizers. You know, yet.
Perry must have crossed here.
Maybe there is another way over.
Looks pretty rickety.
Perry!
Hey!
My gosh!
Hey, this way!
There he
Let's go!
Perry must be scared. We're coming for you, buddy!
Too easy. Sorry about your friends, Agent P. I'm evil. What can I say? Oh, the new robots. Yeah, I had some free time. And now you're gonna give me a hand. Literally. New recruits, huh? I see you want to do this the hard way.